please.
My big dream? I like to sing. I love to sing. So,
Okay. Does everyone know you've come out?
And so, ang gusto niya palang talento ay kumanta. So, napapanood ko rin din siya sa FYP ko guys na siya yung nagiging winner sa buong mundo. So, pakinggan natin hanggang dulo. Pero bago yan guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-subscribe guys and click the bell. I-click nyo yung bell dyan guys para updated kayo sa mga video ko guys.
it's my close-knit friends and my fiance Angie.
Ah.
So,
Is she here with you today?
So,
So she's the one you're going to call after the audition, yeah?
yes, immediately. Yes.
Okay. All right. And the song
Okay.
you've chosen today, tell me why you chose it.
Well, the song speaks for itself. So,
Okay. All right. I'm not going to ask any more questions. Let's do it. Good luck.
whew,
You're a bit nervous.
yeah.
Okay, Richard.
It's been a long time coming. So.
Bless you.
Let's go, Richard!
Shake off those nerves. We're here. We're rooting for you, Richard. I hope he's good. I really do.
mukhang maganda.
Just a small town girl. Living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
Grabe! Believable! Ang tanda niya na pero kaya niya pang kumanta ng ganun. Ang ganda ng boses niya, guys! Ganda. Ganda ng song niya, guys. Sigawan sila eh. Mataas ang boses niya. So, yun yung maganda sa kanya, guys. Mataas yung boses niya. Mataas at saka hindi siya naghahabol ng hangin para kumanta. Mataas talaga boses niya, guys. Tuloy na natin. Ganda! Ang galing! Palakpakan silang lahat, guys. Pati ako na-amaze. Kasi, ang taas ng boses niya, guys. So, yan yung masasabi ko sa inyo, guys, na dito na tayo magtatapos. So, Kaya don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.